Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace your side mirrors. This is on a 70 VW. The first thing you want to do is open your door, and on this one it's a 19. You can see it, but let me zoom in on this nut for you. You can see. See, the little nut has a slot on it. You just stick it in like so, turn the mirror, and once you have it loose, you can go ahead and it's a good thing I'm replacing it. You don't want to drop it if you're not replacing it. All right, and I'll go on to the next step. Be right back. Okay, I'm back with the new mirror. Pretty simple. Put it on there just like you took it off. Basically where you want it. Take your 19 wrench, snug it down. Be careful, don't torque on it too tight. You just want to kind of snug it. And there you have it. And hope this has helped you. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Have a good day.